Dynamic, beautiful, electric. Introducing Regency's lineup of electric inserts. The all-new EI collection expands the horizon of possibilities, maximising installation options and styling. With our all-new LED lighting system, these units produce a flame picture unmatched for its beauty and realism. Vibrant oranges and reds flow together with a 13 fuel bed and top-down lighting options to create a stunning, lifelike flame picture. The flame images rise from and dance among the layers of an artfully crafted log set, raised on a grate with charcoal logs, embers and ginger crystals, adding to the depth and realism. Featuring our artfully crafted and beautiful oak log set designed to mimic reality and produce a rich, robust natural glow. Simply control the power, heat, flames, brightness and temperature output with the included remote. Discrete integrated buttons on the unit also allow for control of the power, flame and heater. With several sizes available, these zero-clearance fireplaces can be framed into a wall or simply inserted into an existing fireplace or masonry opening, making it perfect for townhomes, apartments or quick and easy upgrades for old fireplaces. With the Regency collection of electric inserts, we continue our long tradition of innovation and design to beautifully appoint and warm your homes. Regency, it's more than a fireplace.